Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to define pricing of your fleet to the Padharo partner application. This can be done once the vehicles are added to the application. Here, click on the pricing tab like I am clicking it right now. Here, you will see the pricing list. It is empty currently as there is no price defined. Click on the plus button to add the pricing. The way pricing work on the application is, as partner, you can define price of your vehicle based on drive type, city-wise, vehicle type or model, or even up to individual vehicles. You can select pricing for self or chauffeur-driven options. You can select pickup city or cities and drop city or cities. For self-drive, it can be other city drop, and for chauffeur drive, it can be one side. Padharo currently has defined options for each driven type. For self-drive, you can choose from 120 km per day, 240 km per day and unlimited kilometers option currently. For chauffeur-driven, you can choose from local half-day, local full-day, outstation and custom tour option. Custom tours. Either you can choose from given options or create your own. For self-drive, pickup and drop option can be enabled. If you do not, customer will need to pick from your location only. Here, you can define the pickup and drop charges with minimum kilometers to be charged and price per kilometer for the pickup or drop only. As you scroll down, you can set the pricing here. For each tour type, you can select pricing basis either hours or kilometers or both. You can select price for extra run or duration as well. In any case, higher calculated value will be taken. For example, local tour with maximum 8 hours and 80 kilometers. Your charges will be maximum of 1600. For extra run, it will be separate. You can also check on the price check screen once set. You can also mention if the price includes toll, parking and state tax. If enabled, it won't get added to the final bill. For outstation, chauffeur drive cars, you have option to enter driver and night allowance in INR. As a value add for Padharo platform listing, you can add guarantee offer option. Guest bother about cleanliness and driver behavior. With this, you can assign percentage of your bill amount here. If the car is not clean or driver behavior is not up to the mark, you can choose to waive this amount. Now click on Save button. Now on the pricing list, you can see it is showing in the list. If you want, from here only you can edit the pricing by clicking on the pencil button or delete it by clicking on the dustbin button. Next, weekend tab. We know our partners have higher demand during the weekend. Here you can define weekends and price can be increased or decreased on the defined price. Let's click on the plus button. On the next screen, now select the vehicle type, driven type, select vehicle, then start date and end date, that is from which date the weekend price should be applicable until which date. Then scroll down. Here we have to select the days. As you can see on my screen, I have selected Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Then on the next tab, we have to fill the percentage, like how much percent it will increase. Like I have entered 10% and save the details. Now click on weekend pricing list. You can check that it is showing in the list. From here, you can edit or delete as per your requirement. For peak seasons, in advance, you can offset and increase your pricing. This pricing is over and above your pricing table. If you want to decrease the price for off-season, you can also do it from here. Now click on peak inflation. On the next screen again, select driven type, select vehicle, then start date and end date like I have selected as you can see on my screen. Now scroll down, click on the checkbox that is for which days this price is applicable, and then fill the number in percentage and click on save button. Now here you can see the peak inflation list. From here you can add it or delete as suitable. On the pricing list you can check all the 3 tabs, that is pricing, weekend and peak inflation one by one. Pricing once set can be checked in pricing check screen.